Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today we have discussed about the topic memory size of data type and objects using Java. So today main topic is how to compute the memory size of data types and objects in Java language. So before going to the topic, the channel again once again. Actually in Java, some basic data types also available. That means byte, short, integer, long integer, float, double, character. So these data types, we have to compute the size of the memory by using the size method. In Java, one built-in method is available that is called as a size. By using the size method, we can compute the size of each and every data type. So for example, I am going to write there is class ADT size public static void main. So byte dot size. So this command returns the number of bits required for the byte data type. So divided by 8 means what's the purpose of divided by 8 means convert this bit into the bytes. So byte dot size divided by 8 means byte data type occupies 1 bytes of memory. So 1 bytes of memory means it returns 8 value. 8 divided by 8 the answer is 1 byte. Short integer returns 2 bytes of memory. Integer returns 4 bytes of memory. Long returns 8 bytes of memory. Float also 4 bytes of memory, double also 8 bytes of memory. Only one important point, character data type returns 2 bytes of memory. In C language, character data type returns 1 bytes of memory. In Java, character data type returns 2 bytes of memory. So this method, there is size command. This method easily find the size of the primitive data types. So this is a demo for the same. The same program will be executed in the JGRASP tool. Okay, byte dot size divided by 8. So division of 8 is used to convert the bit into the bytes. This command returns the value in the form of number of bits required to store the corresponding data type. Now you see the output in the bottom of the output window. So byte 1 bytes, in short 2 byte, integer 4 byte, long 8 byte, float 4 byte, double 8 bytes, and character 2 bytes. So one built-in method, that is size command is available to measure the size of the data type. But in the size of the object in Java, there is no built-in method is available for measuring size of the objects. So it's very difficult to how to calculate the size of the object means we have compute the size of the object by using two methods. So one method is using Notepad and the JDK tool. So size of the object computed using Notepad and JDK, or otherwise we can compute the size of the object using Eclipse or IntelliJ JID. So it is not possible to measure the size of the object using JGRASP tool. So that's why today I am going to demonstrate how to compute the size of the object using Notepad and JDK software. Okay. So first step, two files are required. One is object size agent.java. This is one file is required. Second one manifest.txt. These two files are required. Third one user Java file. So this is a user Java file. So for example, you are writing a program. That program contains classes and objects. That program name is called as the memory size.java. You have to save that file name as the memory size.java. So all the above three files should be stored in the same folder. For example, in my today's demonstration, I have to use the folder e colon size folder. Okay. So inside the size folder, all the three files should be stored. Okay. So next, how to execute in the command prompt. First, we have to set the Java command prompt path. Then next, normally how to compile the code in a Java C space file name .java. Here we have to use the command Java C space object size agent.java and memory size.java. This command next we have to execute. Third command jar file. We have to create the jar file using command prompt manifest.txt agent.jar object size agent.class is the main command. After executing the third command, next you have to use the Java command for executing our memory size file. Java space hyphen Java agent colon agent dot star next memory size means after executing the Java command, we will get the size of the objects. First one object size dot agent file. This is the object size agent file content of the object size. The first line import space java.lang.instrument.instrumentation. Thus, what's the purpose of this means? Imports the instrumentation class which provides the methods to inspect object including their memory size. This is a main import file. The next one, declare the static variable to store the instrumentation object provided by the JVM. The next one, pre-main method, is a special method that the JVM calls before the main method when a program is started with the Java agent option. You are going to execute the Java program. Before main method, this pre-main method should be called. So store the next one, inside the pre-main method, store the instrumentation object so it can be used later. The next one, get object size. This method returns the size of the objects. Next one, second file, manifest and memory size.java. Manifest.txt file, it contains only one line, that is pre-main hyphen class colon object size agent. It contains only one line of code is enough. But only one important thing, the second line should be an empty line. So that's why cursor point the third line. The next one, memory size.java. Here I am going to write one class file, class name student, int roll number, double mark. The class contains only the two variables, one roll number, one mark. So next one, main program named as memory size.java, class memory size, public static void main, student space is equal to new student. You are going to create the object. Next, you are going to print the size of the object by using object size agent dot get object size. This command returns the number of memory occupied by the respective object. Yes. These three files are required. All the three files will be stored in the same folder, size. So how to execute the program? First, we have to set the path, that is set the path for the size. Next, java c space object size agent.java and memory size.java. So both files are compiled. So both files are created the .class file. If it is any error, it display the error messages. Okay. So next one, that is convert the jar file. Jar command prompt manifest.txt, then agent.jar object size agent.class file. Next, you have to compile, run the after execution, you have to compile the class file memory size java space java agent dot jar memory size. Now after executing the command, it's print its equivalent size of the objects. So I have to show the command window also. My command window size equal to, that is after executing the fourth line, the size equal to 24. So how to calculate means, so in my program I have used one integer variable, one double variable. So for integer variable occupies 4 bytes of memory, double variable occupies 8 bytes of memory, so total 12. So another 12 bytes of memory allocated for object header. So okay, total 24 bytes. So output also displays as 24 bytes. The next one, I am going to change the same program, that is memory size.java. This time I have added two variables in integer age, double CGPA. Okay, so two variables can be added. One variable is integer, another one variable is double. So integer occupies 4 bytes, double occupies 12 bytes. So already in the previous program, total memory size is 24, 24 plus 4, 12, again 36. But this program displays the output equal to 40 bytes. What's the reason means, object header 12 bytes, integer 2 variable 8 bytes, double 2 variable 16 bytes, total size 36 bytes, but output displays 40. What's the meaning means, so here in JVM returns the size of the memory in multiples of 8. So 4 into 8 means 32. So now we have only 36 bytes. So 5 into 8 means 40. That means it returns 40 size. So this is the way in which we have to compute the size of an object. If you have any doubt on this video, please send the mail to sscchannel786@gmail.com. Share this video to your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.